I think it's bad news for the English game.
It's even on the Irish, though she got Oling, though the Irish got Oling, though she ain't a gafford.
It's coming home, it's coming, football's coming home.
We'll go on getting back, it's on getting back, it's on getting back, it's on getting back.
It's coming, football's coming home.
It's coming along, it's coming along, it's coming, Gaelga's coming home. It's coming along, it's coming home, it's coming, Gaelga's
coming home. Everyone seems to know the score.
Oil Ryan, tá cuimar ag lom seo, is even lom Chelsea, yeah, Casil Latza, Bog Chelsea, yeah, Frankie Lampard.
England's gonna throw it away, gonna throw it away, but I know they can play, 'cause I remember Milan's on the shows, Jules Rimet still gleaming,
Baby, I'm the Jones,
So many jokes, so many sneers, but all those also nears weigh you down through the years. But I still see that tackle by more when Lineker scored Bobby Bell to the ball, and Bobby dancing. Milan's on the shows, Jules Rimet still gleaming, 30 years apart, never stop me dreaming. I know that was then, but it could be again.
It's come along, it's come along, it's coming, Gaelga's coming home. It's come along,
It's coming, football's coming home. It's
come
coming
along,
home,
it's come along, it's coming, Gaelga's coming home.